This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Woods. Welcome to Kiln Creek in the beautiful subdivision of Willow Point located on the golf course. This is the home you have been waiting for. Luxury vinyl planking down open floor plan gas fireplace and large living room opening into big dining room with wainscoting. Eat-in kitchen with granite counter and tile backsplash. Balcony off huge primary bedroom walk-in closet. Leaf guard gutter 2021 patio, flooring and appliances less than 2 years young. New gas logs with remote new plantation shutters. The only thing missing is you. For more information, review the details below.